I welcome you to my channel, Let's Graphics and Multimedia, and in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can submit your test video course on Udemy as an instructor before you start to produce in mass quantity. So this is going to help you out a lot so that you'll be sure of the quality of your video and the quality of the audio and stuff like that, and the resolution required by the expert on Udemy. So if you are very new on Udemy, this is very much important before you go ahead and produce your video. But before I dive into tutorial, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to hit on the subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so each time I post content about Udemy or content, you'll be notified. And also, if you have any question for me, as far as this is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. So let's get started. So the very first thing you need to do is to log into your Udemy account, and then once you log into your Udemy account, you have to come to instructor tab right here. So it takes you right here. So you just have to scroll down and then scroll down to the last part where you see test video. So click on test video right here. Click on test video. Then it's open up in a new page. All right, for the points here. So what they are trying to tell us here is that they receive a lot of large volume of test video, so that it might take like 24 hours before you get a response feedback from an expert on Udemy. But be sure that you are getting your feedback as far as the quality of your video is concerned. So next thing you need to do is to just scroll down, and I need an equipment advice here. Just click on I have my equipment. Click on I have my equipment. Then it takes you right here. So for this point here, this is where you need to tell us which language will be spoken in your. Then tell us what type of feedback will be helpful. Optimize your area and equipment. Ensure students can see, hear, and understand you. Record at least of 1 to 3 minutes and submit as many as you want. Okay, so you can scroll down, and we recommend review with us before filming a course and whenever you use something new or move location. So click on get started. So you can see the advantage of this. Now for this section here, this is where you need to tell the Udemy reviewing expert the language you spoke in the video. Now feedback on tone and delivery is available in some languages, while audio and video quality checks are available in all languages. So right here, I choose English language. Okay, then click on next. Then right here, you have video production. Select one or more. We can provide tips for multiple aspects of your video. Students value both your filming quality and on-screen presence. Okay, video production, audio production, and delivery. So you have to select one or more of these three options right here. Or better still, if the three options is applicable to you, such as video production, audio production, and delivery, then just click on next. At this point here, what are your filming for the test video? You can try out different filming methods in one of your video or test each individually, but we can only review one video at a time. I film myself or another person. I'm filming my computer screen. I'm filming an activity, yoga, dog training, cooking, stuff like that. So as for my own hand, I'm filming my screen. Okay, so you just have to choose anyone related to you right here and click on next to set up. So at this point here, knowing this help us troubleshooting issue, but if you have not select I don't know, then at this point here, you just have to make sure that you click on here microphone type. You need to tell us the type of microphone you use in recording your video. Or if you don't know if your microphone is not there, just type in order. So once you type in order, you have to tell them the type of microphone you use. Okay, from the instruction there. Then you have to scroll down, and what type of camera do you use? So you select on here, and you choose Android. Okay. So if you are using phone to record, Android. If you are using iPhone, you can see different options, webcam and stuff like that. So I am using Android. and what type of software you use maybe for editing and stuff like that. So you can use I use Camtasia. Then operating system is Windows, or you can put in order. So if that is then the next thing you can do is that you can read on camera settings right here. There are things you need to read as far as camera settings is concerned. Then you can scroll down and then come to software settings. So right here, confirm the file format is MP4. The dimension should be 1920 by 1080 pixels, and for the PC and stuff like that. And the bitrate, you need to check on that, and etc. You can click on tutorial on Camtasia if you don't actually know how Camtasia works. So once you are able to fill up this place, you click on next filming advice. All right, so at this part of the section, you're going to see tips to look like a pro. So you can watch some of this video right here. They are just less than 1 minute. You can watch some of this video and see how perfectly you're going to look like. So if you are satisfied with everything based on the input of information you supplied to Udemy, you come here, click on next to film your video. Now at this point here, talk about anything you want, or use one of our prompts. Teach a simple task, explain why you are passionate about something, describe an object or feature and its use, then upload your test video. Now the upload test video should be all files should be at least 720 pixels and less than 4 gig. Okay, so I'm going to click on here to select a video. I'm going to select this video and click on open. So right here, your video is going to upload 100%. You can see processing. So once your video upload successfully, next thing you need to do is to click on submit for feedback. So after a successful submit, your test video is going to be here, and you can as well delete it if you don't want to submit, or maybe you mistakenly submit a video. So once you're done, just click on here to exit from this tab. So this is how you can submit your this is how you can submit your test video course on Udemy step-by-step tutorial. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up, and also for more tutorial for beginner on Udemy like this, remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now. How it's supposed to feel.